Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow meadow rue or Thalictrum, and it's a beautiful plant that's found almost anywhere in the northern hemisphere. Thalictrum or meadow rue is actually a member of the buttercup family, so they're related to ranunculus. And there's over 130 species. So depending on the variety that you have, it depends on how cold they can handle it. So some varieties can go to low as zone 4, and then others can only handle to zone 7. But they're really and they're found all over the northern hemisphere. So from Europe through Asia and China into North America, there's so many different varieties, and they're so easy to grow. And the Romans believed that they had many medicinal and superstitious qualities, so they used it for many different reasons, and a lot of different cultures have used it over the years. They're very hardy, so they are easy to grow in full or half sun, and they love really good composted, rich soil, and which is well drained. So you can start them by division, or you can start them by seed in the spring, either way, and they're really easy. Meadow rue is really easy to grow. It's like a wildflower. So once you've got the seeds going, you can have them all over your garden. And they have gorgeous pink and white flowers that are really vibrant in your garden. And so they're a great addition.